This is Alfred's Premier Piano Course, Lesson 2B, and I'll be playing Scales My Way on page 36. Notice we have a key signature, so watch for those F sharps. If you have trouble remembering them, just take your pencil and draw a little sharp sign right in front of the F. You'll also notice that a lot of the Fs are marked with natural signs. So play those as just regular F naturals, and that natural sign lasts through the measure. So both of these Fs are F naturals. And so watch out for those as you play through. I will go ahead and play from beginning to end, and then we're going to look at some of the different parts of this piece. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, ready, go. All right, I'm sure you heard some repeating elements in there. The first thing to learn is the left hand in the first three measures. We just have that broken G chord, the F chord, and back to the G chord. Just a nice, easy. And then just notice how many times you repeat that same pattern. Lots of times. The next thing to learn are the right hand phrases. First, we start with just a G major scale. Make sure to count the rhythm here so we watch for that quarter rest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So just going down, watch for the F sharp. Then the second time, that's the Scales My Way. It gives it a more jazzy sound. So be careful to get that crossover and then the B natural and then that third down to the G. That's going to be the harder one, so spend a little extra time on the second way. Then things get even more just kind of mixed up here with those B flats and B naturals. You're going to have fingers 2 and 3 close to each other. And then there in measure 13, watch those intervals. But here just remember to keep track of flats and naturals. B flat, B natural, B natural, B flat, B natural, and then no B's. All right, and then the next little part is just right there in measures 15 to 17. And it makes use of that B flat again. All right, then we return to our first two phrases again, so that'll be easy. And then just a little ending there with the C sharp and the B flat and the B natural. So work out that little phrase, and you get to use ritardando, so things will be slowing down. And then one last little move up to that fifth with the B and the F natural. All right, another little part in the left hand that you'll want to learn is starting at measure 11, going to measure 17, or you can even go all the way to 19. Just watching the little chord changes in there. We start on a 1 chord. Measure 13 is the 5-7 chord, and then we play that staccato. And then up to that 6th there, which is almost a 4 chord. We haven't really talked about a 4 chord yet. So, but just watch for that interval reach up for the E there, and then back to that one chord and measure 17. It's just the return of our first pattern from the beginning. Measure 25, very much like the first pattern, only we're down an octave and we're just playing those open fifths. We're not adding the third in the triad there. So otherwise it's the same rhythm and the same little moves from the G to the F natural back to the G. And then just holding on to that G and D fifth forever. And then make sure that last one, octave lower, you're going to be holding your pedal up to there, but make sure you get the pedal off and just touch it very lightly for that nice little staccato touch at the end. So remember to listen to dynamics, a lot of big sounds, but then you're going to bring things down and then build them back up and then let things just kind of wind down very naturally, very just easily, diminuendo, stay very soft, and then just a really light touch there at the end. Have lots of fun with Scales My Way.